cars. It's my Golf R right here. Just got this thing recently. Big brakes, flooring springs. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of mods on this channel. Just gonna get a quick walk around. Oh my god, oh my god, that's there. It's dirty. But yeah, it's the car. All it has right now is a resonator delete and lowering springs, like I said. As far as mods go, at least in the next couple months, what I'm gonna start with, I ordered some taillights from V-Land. My garage is getting shit out of me. Some V-Land taillights. Be getting those installed probably sometime this month. And then I'm gonna get see, this lens is actually all messed up, as you can see. The car's not that mint, but it's pretty good overall. Some minor imperfections over here and then down here. I'm just gonna get a lip to cover that. But yeah, May 1st I'm going to get these custom done. So the guy's gonna put a new lens and reseal it, and then he's gonna put the black housing so he can get rid of all this chrome. So it's gonna look sick, just like the OEM European ones. And then I'm actually getting some crazy maintenance done, so let me just pop the hood real quick. As you can hear, kind of, I mean, they all make these ticking noises just because of the direct injection. But this one here has some, I don't know if you can hear that, but it has like some metal clink. So that's probably the cam chain, and I already ordered the parts for all that. That's gonna be here, and I'm gonna get a timing belt and everything, all that. So serpentine belts, all the little fucking tensioners, I'm gonna get that all done. I'm a mechanic, so yeah, that's a really big maintenance item on these FSI motors. I know it says PSI, but it's actually the previous generation motor. I don't know why they put this engine cover on there, but yeah, after I get that done, also a minor oil leak on the, I don't know what this is, oil housing. I don't know if you guys can see that. You see how it's seeping? Okay, it's seeping down there. It's like an oil housing, some bullshit. It's very minor, but yeah. And it doesn't need that much oil as far as the FSI motor goes. It's pretty good. See, I'm gonna get all those parts in. And after that, I'm gonna go stage 1. So I'm gonna get a integrated engineering cold air intake, get a diverter valve upgrade. I just like injection noise, and then stage 1 tune, also integrated engineering. As far as the clutch goes, I am pretty sure I actually have an upgraded clutch just because of how heavy it feels. I don't know, you guys could tell me in the comments, but I don't really know much about this car, neither did the previous owner, because I don't know, I guess he didn't really know either. But the clutch was replaced, but I mean, bite's good, shifts pretty quick, to be honest. As you can see, it'll go through all the gears pretty smooth. Reverse gear, it's all pretty good. Hear that? Some clutch chatter, that's why I think it's upgraded, but I don't know. Other than that, yeah, maybe some bike racks, and then yeah, get a lift. I don't know what else you guys think I should do. Drop in the comments below. I'm always curious to hear. I was actually gonna get the Haldex serviced. That voice crack was insane. I was gonna get the Haldex serviced, but when I had it pulled, really nothing there. The fluid was actually pretty clean, so I just sealed it back up. I was like, fuck it, I'm not changing that yet. Yeah, I mean, it's a little warm now. I could give it a couple revs. Yep, just some baby revs. The car's not really warmed up yet completely, but yeah, so here it is. More content on this for sure. Okay.